Hello children, in this video we're going to see an interesting activity for the lesson Chaskit Goes to School. Our lesson Chaskit Goes to School talks about a little girl called Chaskit who was lame and was not sent to school for this reason. There comes a neighborhood friend called Abdul who helps Chaskit and tries very hard to take her to school along with him, and finally succeeds in that. This is a great act of kindness to children. So our activity is based on this topic, act of kindness. Do we really be kind to people we meet in our everyday life? So in order to check that, we continue with this activity. So in our activity, we're going to make a tree called kindness tree. Can you see children? Kindness tree. Yes? So first let's check the materials required for making this kindness tree. We need some twigs, color papers, a scissor, some thread, an empty water bottle and some markers. Okay children, so let's get started with our activity. So first thing I'm doing is I'm just taking all the twigs that I've collected from the garden. Since these twigs are collected from the tulsi plant, these are a little bit smaller in size, so I'm arranging them together. And then I take a long stick to have a balance inside, the balance inside my bottle. So I'm just taking a long stick and tying this up together. Now I place this inside my water bottle, empty water bottle, and have it. Now I'm just using some color papers of your choice. Since it is for leaves, I'm just using this green color papers, and I'm drawing some leaf-like shapes. And I'm just folding the paper, and I'm drawing some leaf-like shapes inside the paper, and I'm going to cut them off now. So I got two leaves now. Same way, I'm going to take an orange color sheet and then draw some flowers in it. I'm going to cut them out like the shape of a flower. Yes, so we have got some flowers and some leaves. So now we'll take a thread and just pierce a hole inside this flowers and leaves. You could also use a punching machine to make this hole a little bigger in size, and then take a thread, and then tie it strongly. This will help the leaves to be hanged on the stems of the tree which we have made. Okay, so I made a lot of leaves like this. You can see, no, I have made some leaves, and also I made some flowers also in the same way, same pattern. Okay, so since I told you that this is a tree, this tree is gonna be our kindness tree. So we're gonna write our act of kindness for that particular day. So every day when we do some act of kindness, for example, I'm writing that I helped my mom in the kitchen today. I helped my mom in the kitchen. So I filled it in my paper, and now I'm going to hang this in the tree. Same way, I can also use the class to write for the content for the whole day. For example, let it be, I'm writing, I was very good, I was very kind today. I was very kind today. I can also include the date to it. For example, today, I'm also including the date here. And now, I'm piercing it and hanging down in the tree. Hang wherever you want. Yes. So this same way you could hang all your trees. Whenever you do one act of kindness, you can hang one leaf to the tree. So now our tree will be filled with lot of kindness, and automatically our tree becomes the tree of kindness. So let's see who grows their act of kindness tree as fast than me. Okay, so children, I think that you love this activity, and I also hope that you will finish growing this tree a bit faster than me. So hoping to see your trees in our submission channel. And what we learned from this video is to have a kind heart, children. So that is the thing which we learned from this activity. So be very kind to others, have a kind heart, have a helping mind. So that is what we learned from the lesson also. Our lesson, Chaskit Goes to School, tells us how to have a kind heart towards people we meet every day. Okay, so have a kind heart, children, and the world needs that. Thank you, children. Bye bye.